What's up, you guys? This is Christian for Adulting for People in a Hurry. And after you finish getting depressed over not having enough toilet paper and not having to go to work, sit down and watch this video, because now there's another problem you gotta face. You gotta take some government stimulus money. So quick rundown, up to $1,200 for individuals, up to $2,400 for married couples. This is for individuals who make less than $75,000 a year and married couples that make less than $150,000 a year. Now, if you got 10 kids, you're gonna get $5,000 for them, which is $500 per child. No, you cannot claim your pet rock, your cat, or your dog. I know it's cute, but you cannot claim it. And no, even if it's a service dog, you cannot claim it as a dependent. Please stop thinking that you can. You cannot. Avast. Trust me. Now, don't trust me in anything I say, because I'm not a CPA. I'm just another guy on the internet that researched and is, curious about how things work and wants to share that knowledge with you. So as I mentioned, if you're rich and you make more than $75,000 as an individual or $150,000 as a couple, you hit something called a phase-out. That is basically for every $100 more that you make over that $75,000, your amount that you're gonna get on your check is $5 less. So if you make more than $99,000 as an individual or $190,000 as a couple, you're not getting anything. By now, I bet you're wondering if I have pants on. So how can you get your stimulus check as fast as possible? If you have filed taxes for 2019, go and find those taxes. Oh, there you go. So you go through your taxes and you're trying to find something called 1040. Now on that 1040, on page 2, it's line number 20 on the refund. You're gonna have something that is called 21B, routing number, and 21D. Now, if you are the same like me and you didn't fill your account number, now it's going to be a little bit of a hassle for you, because you actually have to contact IRS on their line, which I'm going to list on the screen somewhere here. Actually, I don't know, I'm going to list it somewhere. And you got to call them to actually fill that account number so they know where to send you the money. Keep in mind, if you are married, you need to give them an account that is joined with your spouse. If you do not have an account like that, sucks for you. If you're not like me and you actually have filled your routing number and account number and it's joined with your spouse, or if you're single, you don't need to be joined, then you're good. And another thing, just to stress out, make sure if you have filed jointly, you give the IRS an account that you're both on the account. If you give your personal account for your and your wife's credit, that check will get rejected and you're kind of screwed. So when you call the IRS to give them the account number, make sure it's a joint account number, because you filed jointly and both of the government checks will go there. If it's not a joint account, I don't know what's going to happen. If you want to find out, just give them a not joint account and see what's going to happen. Take a risk once in your life. Now, some of you who are Americans and did not have to marry for a green card and don't have a joint account and did not have to have a joint account with your spouse, there's something you can do if you do not have that account. On Form 1040, you can go and check 21A, which is going to give you an option to go to Form 8888, that you can actually allocate that refund money in multiple accounts. All right, last but not least, what do you do if you haven't filed taxes 2018 and 2019? And I'll tell you exactly what to do. File them. And I'm going to finish this video with some advice of how to spend the stimulus checks. I always like to invest my extra money that I get, and with this stimulus money, I would like to give you my top 2 picks for investment. Now with this check, you can diversify and actually invest in a couple of things. I personally will invest into the toilet paper stock and into the alcohol stock, but what you want to invest is up to you. If you like this content, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and you have already done that, thank you for the support. I'm Christian for Adulting for People in a Hurry, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.